Greetings everyone, greetings ma'am. My name is Alexis Carrera and today I'll be discussing you the measures of central tendency of ungroup data. Any measures indicating a set of data is called measure of central tendency. Now how you will get the measure of central tendency of ungroup data is you'll be using the mean, the median, and the mode. So what are the definitions of these three? Well, the mean is the most popular among the measures of central tendency for it is widely used. It is also called as the, average of a set of n numbers, and it is a sum of all numbers divided by n. So the keyword for mean is average. Now how we will get the formula of what is the formula of mean? Well, as you can see here, it's a set of n numbers and it is a sum of all numbers divided by n, meaning that x bar or mean is equal to summation of x over n, or number of samples. Right, so that's it. Now, the median. Median is the middle score for a set of data that has been arranged in order of magnitude. What does it mean? Well, the median, that's where you're gonna arrange the data in ascending order or descending, depending. So, what is the formula for this one? Well, median is equal to n plus 1 over 2. The n is the number of data. Okay? So the mode. The mode is the measure or value which occurs most frequency in a set of data. It is the most valuable. It is the value of with the greatest frequency. So what does it mean? Mode is that number where you see it frequently. It's almost like it's repeating. We will get to explore it later on, but it is expressed with. All right, cool. Now let's go. So that we won't forget the formula, let's put it over here. That's for the mean. And number of samples, x over n plus and right, so okay. So we have example number 1. Ella recorded the number of steps she walked over 5 days. 6,000 steps, 7,500 steps, 6,000 steps, 8,000 steps, and 9,500 steps. What is the mean, the median, and the mode of her steps count? So, as you can see here, Ella walked. Okay, Ella kept a data of her steps during 5 days, over the 5 days. So the first thing that we should look for is the mean. Okay, so again, what's the formula of mean? It's x bar equal to summation of x plus n. So what you're gonna do about that is you're gonna substitute the x summation. It will be like this. 6,000, you're gonna copy the given, first the 6,000, then 7,500, another 6,000, and that's plus, I'm sorry, 6,000, 8,000, plus 9,500, alright? So, right, then we're gonna count how many given here in this question. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 number of samples. So what we're gonna do is get our calculator. All right. So Okay, so let's get our calculator and first add the upper part. 6,000 plus 7,500 plus 6,000 plus 8,000 plus 9,500. Alright. So the answer for this is 370,000. Ano? 37,000. I'm sorry. It's 37,000 over 5. So the answer for this is the answer, the mean for the example number 1 is 7,400. Alright, so that's the mean. Now the median, we're gonna get the median. The formula for this is n plus 1 over 2. So like I said before, median is about arranging it into ascending order. So we're gonna arrange the given into ascending order. That will be we're gonna put an arrow so that we won't get lost. So it will be 6,000, then 7,500, then 8,000, then 9,500. Alright, so that's in ascending order, right? Then we're gonna count how many, what are the numbers? How many data are there? Sorry guys. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 plus 1, 5 add 1 over 2. And then you're gonna add them. You're gonna add the 5 and 1. There you go. And then you're gonna divide it. Divide the 6 over 2. You're gonna divide that. And the answer will be 3. No, sorry, it's... Okay, so first you're gonna put how many data are there, which is 5. Then you're gonna add it with 1, so the answer will be 6. Then you're gonna copy the 2 as its denominator, and then you're gonna divide it. And the answer for this, and the quotient of this is 3. However, this is the mean, meaning you're gonna find the third order of the ascending given that you just did, okay? So you're gonna count 1, 2, 3, meaning this is the third, this is our mean. This is our median, forgive me. Alright, so now, let's go with the mode. Okay, the mode is defined as that. Again, what's the definition of mode? The mode is, it is the data, it is the number where it's frequently appearing. So it's duplicating or repeating. So which of these numbers repeated? So it's the 6,000, right? So that's the mode. 6,000. Okay, so again, that is our mean. Our mean is 7,400 steps because that's important. That's important. Next is the median is 7,500 steps. Then lastly, our mode is 6,000 steps. Right? Yes. Oh, let's go with another example. number of bananas in 1 week. 40, 45, 50, 45, 60, 65, 70. Find the mean, the median, and the mode number of bananas sold. Again, we're gonna do the same. We're gonna first find the mean. The formula of mean is x bar equal to summation of x over n, and then you're gonna substitute it into the given, which is 40, 45, that will be plus, I'm sorry, 40, 45, 50, 45, 60 plus 65 plus 70. Alright? Then over the number of samples. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 totals of samples. And then we're gonna add them all. Yay! 40 plus 45 plus 50 plus 45 plus 60 plus 65 plus 40. Okay, the total for the upper part is 375 over 7. You're gonna divide that into 75 over 7, and the quotient for it is 53.57. That's our mean. That's our mean. Bananas sold. Alright. Now number 2. Next is the median. Formula is n plus 1 over 2. We're gonna arrange it into ascending order. 70. We're gonna count how many data are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're gonna add it with 1 and divide it into 2. The answer would be is 8 over 2 equals to 4. So it would the median for this example is in the fourth. So we're gonna count 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the fourth one. So the median for it is 50 bananas. Now lastly, the mode. Once again, you're gonna look the frequent given, which is 45. You're gonna put there 45 bananas. Okay. Too fast, too slow, I don't know. So yeah, that's the answers for the example 2. The mean is 53.57 bananas sold. The median is 50 banana sold, and the mode is 45 banana sold for this example. Next. So I'll give you a minute. Nah, just kidding. So let's start. Okay, number 3, Liam scored the following marks in 7 math quizzes: 80, 85, 90, 85, 85, 100, and 85. What are the mean, the median, and the mode of Liam's scores? So once again, let's start with the mean, which is x bar equal to summation of x over the number of samples. Then you're gonna substitute it. 80 plus 85 plus 90 plus 85 plus 95 plus 100 plus plus 85. Then you're gonna count how many samples in this example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 samples. We're gonna add all of them, and so We're gonna add the upper part and then solve. So the total answer for this is 620 over 7. Now we're gonna solve it to find the quotient. The answer or the quotient for this is 88.757. So that's our mean. Yeah, that's our mean for Liam's score. Now we're gonna look for the median. The median's formula is n plus 1 over 2. We're gonna arrange it into ascending order because that's median all about. 80, 85, 85, 90, 95, 1, 2, there are 3 85s, 90, 95, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, alright. Then you're gonna substitute the n for the number of data, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 plus 1 over 2. We're gonna add those, 8 over 2, and then we're gonna divide it. The answer or the quotient for this is 4. Then the median will be at the 4th. We're gonna count 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is our median. Median is 85. That's the median for Liam's score. Now we're gonna look for the mode. Again, just find the frequent number or the repeating number. So the repeating number is 85. We're gonna put that as 85. So yes, you follow? So this is the mean. The mean is 88.57. The median is the mode and the median are both 85. So yeah, that's all. We're gonna go to another example. There are more two more examples. Don't you worry. Alright, so example number 4. Example number 4, a family recorded the electricity consumption in kilowatts. So there's a given unit, we're gonna follow that. For 5 months, 300, 350, 400, 300, and 450. Calculate the mean, the median, and the mode electricity consumption. I'm sure you already know how to do it, but let's do it again. Let's first find the mean. X bar equal to summation of x over n, and we're gonna substitute it into 300 plus 350 plus 400 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, because that's our number of samples. Next is that we're gonna add the upper part and divide it with the lower part. We're gonna add the numerator and then divide it with the denominator. Yeah. So that's a total of 1,800 over 5. So the answer for this is 360. So that's our 60 kilowatts. That's our mean. Now, let's find the median. Let's find the median, which is the formula again is the formula again is n plus 1 over 2. And then we're gonna arrange the given into ascending order. 350, then 400, and lastly 450. And then we're gonna count how many data are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5, then add it with 1. That's 6. Copy the denominator and then find the quotient, which is 3. Okay. Yes, 3. That means the median is at third. We're gonna count again. 1, 2, 3. This is our median. So our median for this question is 350 kilowatts. Yes. Lastly, we're gonna find the mode, which is the repeating given or the repeating number. That would be the 300. So we're gonna copy that. This one. Alright. Alright. So that's it. This is the mean, which is 360 kilowatts. This is the median, the 350 kilowatts, and the mode, 300 kilowatts. Okay. Now, this is the last example. Right? Ready? Ready. Okay. So last but not the least, we have the example 5. Example 5. During a sale, a store sold these numbers of shirts in a week. 45, 56 shirts, 58 shirts, 58 shirts, 50, 51, 53, 54, 55, 56, 58 shirts. Ooh. You have a lot of even. Now, let's find, obviously, the mean, the median, and the mode of the shirts sold per day. We're gonna start again. Like any repeating thing. Summation of x over n. We're gonna substitute it into 45 plus 45 plus 46 plus 48 plus 48 plus 50 plus 51 plus 53 plus 54 plus 55 plus 56 plus 58 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Number of samples. Again, we're gonna look for the sum and copy and divide it with its denominator. So 45 plus 45 plus 46 plus 48 plus 48 plus 50 plus 51 plus 58 plus 54 plus 55 plus 56 plus 58. The answer for the numerator is 609 over 12 because we're going to copy and then so that we can find the quotient. So 609 divided by over 12 is 50.75. That's our mean. 50.75 shirts, that's our mean. Now, we're going gonna look for the median. And add 1 over 2. We're gonna, looks like the given is already arranged in ascending order, so we're no longer gonna rearrange it because that's already in place. Now, what we're gonna do about it is that we're gonna count again so that we get to know how many are there, how many data do we have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 plus 1 over 2. That will be 13 over 2. And the answer for 13 is 6.5. So here comes, this is the interesting part. Since we have a decimal point, we're gonna still count the place. So we're gonna still count the given. So we're gonna start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Since it's 6.5, meaning that it's the location for the median is between these two. So what we're gonna do about that is we're gonna add the 50 and the 51. So let's go. 50 sum with 51 over 2. And then we're gonna add them both so that we can get the sum. That will be 101 over 2. And then we can calculate 101 over 2 is equals. So the median for this example is 50.5. That's our, let's put it here. That's our median, 50.5. Right? Yes. Now, for the mode, x, there you go. So as you can see here, we have multiple repeating numbers. So we have 45 and we have 48. Yes. So those are our mode. And there's a term for this. It's called bimodial. This is the term if you have two modes. In previous examples, we only have one. So that's what we call a unimodial, since we only have one mode. And there's also a term for if the mode is around 3 or up, that would be called as multimodial. That's for the modes that has 3 or more modes. So yeah, that is all. I hope you understand and learn a bit about my topic. That is all. Thank you.